Apply this paste on your foot and permanently remove calluses on feet in just a single night. A callus is a section of skin that has become toughened and thick because of friction, pressure, or irritation. They often happen on the feet, but they can occur on the hands, elbow, or knees. Calluses are yellowish or pale in color. They feel lumpy to the touch, but as the skin is thick, it may be less sensitive to touch compared with the skin around it. Let's start our home remedy to get rid of calluses on feet overnight. First ingredient for this home remedy is aspirin tablets. Aspirin tablets contain a crystalline compound called salicylic acid, which is derived from salicylic acid. It is the BHA or beta hydroxy acid, which helps to tighten the skin, smooth out wrinkles, and tighten the face, as well as fight acne, soothe redness, and relieve inflammatory and itching of the skin. So now we take 1 tablet of aspirin in the plate. Second ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is an age-old multi-purpose product that traditionally been used in cooking, auto prevention, and cleaning. As baking soda helps absorb moisture from the skin, it can absorb sweat and reduce body odor. Plus, it kills bacteria and works like a natural deodorant. Baking soda also helps to remove dead skin on your body. Now we take 1 tablespoon of baking soda in the plate. Third and last ingredient is lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C and antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage due to its high pH levels. Lemon can decrease oil in the skin and reduce inflammation. Lemon juice acts as a great antiseptic, getting rid of odor-causing bacteria. The acidic property of lemon juice helps lower the skin pH level, which in turn makes it difficult for odor-producing bacteria to survive. In the last, we take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in this paste. In the last, grind all ingredients and make a paste. Apply this paste on your foot and dry this paste whole night. Remove this paste with a piece of cloth and wash your foot with water and soap, and then see the result of this paste. You feel that your calluses on feet are removed in just one night. Thank you for coming here. If you have any question about this home remedy, so tell us in the comment section below. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.